是MingJue. In this present moment, when your consciousness focuses on itself, then you can realize the state of your consciousness clearly. This is MingJue. We can feel our inside there is the observer. We are observing many things. But when this observer realizes itself and focus on self, be self, this is MingJue. Normally, our consciousness, the inner observer, focus on external world. We use eyes, use ears, observe external world things. When we practice something, for example, practice yoga, practice Qigong, practice mindfulness, then our consciousness will come back to observe body inside. You may feel body inside feeling clearly. For example, you can feel body inside breathing. You can feel the flowing of qi. But now, consciousness gradually come back, observe deeper level, observe emotions, observe your thoughts. Those are deeper level. But all those are not what we said MingJue. When we observe all those happen in body inside, all in your emotions and thoughts, we still can feel there is an observer. Okay, we don't mind all those. The observer gently come back to self. Observe itself. Be self. You only feel your observer is clearly. This state is MingJue. When you come to this state, it means you already go beyond the attachments of material world, the attachments of your body feeling, emotions, and thoughts. You already go beyond your reference framework. You are only the pure observer. You are nothing else. When you go beyond all those, naturally, you go beyond all kinds of blockages that are made by all kinds of attachments. We also go beyond the fear. When you come to this state, you feel it's very peaceful, very relaxed, very free, very harmonious. This is a complete awakening entirety. So this state means we come to the inner source of life. We are not controlled by body, by the pattern of thinking, by external world, anything. So this state is very good for life. In this state, the potential of our consciousness is developed. It becomes more powerful. The internal, we use this level of consciousness, goes through body, then we can transform the chi body deeper and stronger. We can manage life as a master.